'cause you're already cold, mine. Already cold, cold mine.
Oh my God!
Death is at your doorstep, and it will steal your innocence, but it will not seal your substance. But you are not alone in this, and you are not alone in this. As brothers we will stand and we'll hold your hand, hold your hand. You are the mother of your baby child, the one to whom you gave life. And you have your choice, and these are what make my grave is lighter to the stars. You are